What's up? My name is TreniuS, and you're tuned into the famous Living Realm Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're doing right. So I've come up with a very financially beneficial way to earn money using the Cash App application. Okay, I didn't even know if I should upload this video yet because it is so good and it is realistic. It is like not like these other scam Cash App videos that you find on YouTube that are just trying to put money in the person's pocket that created the video, like just complete scams. Okay, I don't want your money, but I just want to create a system here on this video, okay, to be able to help you earn money constantly, a constant flow of money. I want you to be able to receive miracle money unexpectedly with this idea that I'm about to tell you using the Cash App application. Listen closer. It really, truly is going to work, okay? I know for a fact it's going to work, but listen to how it works, okay? So for those of you who don't know what Cash App is like a third-party application that allows you to transfer money from your personal bank account to somebody else's bank account. It's a third party like account that connects you in another person's bank account without having you to give somebody your routing number and your accounting number, okay? All right, so it's just playing a role to help you be safe with your bank account, okay? Now, Cash App is absolutely free, okay? You can download the Cash App application if you have an Android phone on your Play Store market, or if you have an iPhone on in your App Store, okay? So it's a free application. You do not have to pay for it, okay? So for those of you who don't have Cash App, you need to download that application. Now, for those of you who do, you already know that it's legit and it really does work, okay? And it doesn't steal any money from you or anything like that. It doesn't tamper with your bank account. I've been using Cash App for like 2 years now, and it serves me well, okay? All right. Anyway, so what you're going to do is you're going to create a Cash App account, okay? And they're going to tell you to connect your bank account to your Cash App account, okay? And then once you have the two accounts connected, they're going to say transfer $5, just $5 from your personal bank account to the Cash App account just to activate the Cash App account, okay? Otherwise, it's not going to activate because it doesn't have any money in the third party account, okay? So you're going to just transfer $5 from your bank account into your Cash App account just to activate it, all right? Now listen close. This is what you're going to do next. Now, once you did that, your Cash App account is going to activate. And so what they're going to do is they're going to give you a username that you're going to be able to create, okay? You're going to be able to create your own personal username. Once you have this username, your Cash App username, you're going to come back to this video and you're going to post that Cash App username of yours in the comment section, okay? You're going to post it in the comment section. And then beside it, you're going to write out a little small statement about something that you're going to use the money on, okay? Just so that the spam robot at the very bottom in the comment section doesn't think that everybody's just scamming the comments. Make sure that you write beside your Cash App username like a small statement of what you're planning to use the money for. And this is also for people who are going to be transferring you money to your Cash App account. Now, this is how everybody's going to earn money. Listen close. Now, we're completely using the law of exchange here, okay? It's a universal law, the law of exchange, give and take, okay? The universal law of sowing and reaping, okay? Whatever you put in is what you get out, okay? It's a universal law, all right? It's just like if you choose to go to the store to get a scratch off or a lottery ticket, this makes your chances to winning the lottery better than the person who does not go at all. You invested $2 for a scratch off and then you profited $200. Miracle money. So that's what you're going to be earning here on this video. You're going to be earning miracle money through the universal law of sowing and reaping and the universal law of exchange. Okay, so who are you exchanging with? Who are you sowing into? You're sowing into a mystery person in the comment section, okay? Whoever you choose, that's what you're gonna sow into in the comment section, okay? Now, this is how we're gonna do it, okay? So I'll give you an example. I got my own Cash App account. I posted in the very bottom in the comment section. I posted beside my Cash App name what I'm gonna do with my money that somebody transfers to me. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a coin. You're gonna take a coin. It don't matter what type of coin it is. You're gonna take a coin, okay? And if it lands on heads, then you have to transfer somebody $20. Okay, if it lands on tails, then you have to transfer somebody $10. Okay, so we're only doing $10 and $20. Now, once again, this is a universal law. So if you do it, the universe knows that you did it. And so the luck will probably come back to you because you sowed and now you should reap. It's a universal law. But if you don't do it, if you try to cheat the system, then you probably won't earn free money doing this technique, okay? Or if you do earn money, that money will be in vain because you have not followed the rules of the universal law of exchange. Okay, so once again, you're gonna get a coin. And you're gonna flip the coin. I'm gonna flip my coin. Okay, my coin just landed on tails. My coin just landed on tails, as you can see, tails right there. So what I'm going to do after this video is I'm going to transfer somebody $10 to their Cash App account. Okay, I'm going to transfer them $10 to their Cash App account. Okay, and then once I transfer them $10 to their Cash App account, okay, they will see that somebody has transferred them money into their account. So that's why we have to rely on each other with this technique, because once you see that I have transferred you money, or once you see that somebody else has transferred you money, or once a person sees that you have transferred them money, then you should be encouraged to be able to keep the process going and be truthful to the whole system, okay, by actually, if somebody sows to you $10 and you flip your coin and it land on heads and you have to transfer somebody $20, I would hope that you really stay true to yourself and literally transfer somebody $20. Okay. Now, how does this keep on earning money for you? Because your Cash App name is going to always be at the very bottom in the comment section. Okay. So after you've transferred your 10 or your $20, okay, after you transfer your 10 or your $20, somebody else who watches this video like you will be able to do the same thing. And what you do is also go down and pick somebody who you choose to transfer your 10 or your $20 to. And you can pick anybody's Cash App name you want, and you only have to do it one time. Okay. I hope that y'all get this right now. Okay. You only have to transfer somebody money one time. Okay. But if you are a person that knows how abundance works, then you could do it several times. You could come back later, watch this video again, go pick somebody else, transfer them money again, $10 or $20, whatever your coin lands on, and they too will still constantly be encouraged to be able to keep the process going by just randomly transferring somebody else some money. And then it just keeps going on and on and on and on and on. And we're going to do this using Cash App. Does that make any sense? I don't think some of y'all got this whole idea. If you don't really get it, make sure you run this video back over and watch it over again. But if you do what I'm telling you to do, you will be able to earn free money using Cash App. Okay, and this really works. You're going to be able to earn free money using Cash App constantly if you're constantly doing the law of sowing and reaping. Okay, if somebody sows into you 20, you see 20 comes into your bank account, and then tomorrow you see another 20 go into your Cash App account, just know that people from this video are transferring you money. And so the more money that you accumulate, please be a person that gives and come back sometimes and just give 10 or 20, whatever your coin. Please don't just harbor all the money to yourself and be selfish, okay? That's what this is not about. It's not about being selfish at all, okay? So if you're a selfish person, please stay out of this. Do not try to steal money from people who are literally trying to do the right thing by actually doing the law of exchange and the law of sowing and reaping, okay? So let's keep it genuine and realistic. You don't want your money to be in vain, okay? But anyway, so, okay, download the Cash App, connect your bank account, transfer your first $5, let it activate your account. Then when you're ready to do this, transfer maybe $20, $40 to your account, then pick somebody's name, transfer them $10 or $20, whatever your coin lands on, and just wait till your money start pouring in. When your money start pouring in, give some back, okay? Just give less back, but give some back, all right? For those of you who don't know what the freaking heck Cash App is, just use my referral link. I have a referral link at the very bottom in the description section of this video. Click my referral link. It will lead you to be able to download Cash App through my referral app. And I think if you use my referral, I think they give you like $5 if you use my referral, okay? So I'm also going to put my referral link, if you want to use it, in the comment section at the very top. Again, if you do not know what Cash App is, or if you do not know how to download it, just click my referral link. It's going to say referral link. Click it, and it will lead you to my referral link so that you can download Cash App onto your cell phone, which is absolutely free. And I think they're going to give you $5 if you use my referral link, okay? So this idea works. It don't have no choice but to work, okay? I know for a fact it's gonna work as long as you remain true and be loyal to actually sowing and reaping, okay? And using the law of exchange, all right? So this is how you earn free money. Good luck to you. I hope that you get some money in your account today. I hope that this works for you. Spend your money wisely. Okay, don't worry. Don't always think to buy something. Always worry about how you can earn something with the money that you actually receive. That's a lot of reasons why people don't have no money, because as soon as they get it, they always think, what can I buy? What can I buy? Versus thinking, what can I use this $20 to help me earn money with? You know what I mean? What can I use this $20 to help me earn more money? Think about it like that, and you will always have more money in your bank account, okay? So go ahead and give it a try. Get the download in Cash App right now. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm TreniuS Henderson. I'm always putting money in your bank account. Hey, make sure you subscribe to my channel for new money ideas. If you want to watch more money videos by clicking my face icon, click my face icon. And make sure that you hit the bell notification so that you can know every time I'm uploading new videos, you can be updated on your phone as soon as I upload something fresh, something new to help you earn more cash. Okay, thank you so much for tuning in. Hey, check out one of these other cash videos right here. Pretty good videos. This video teaches you how to earn cash in a weird way, and so does this. This is a strange way. But either one of them is good, okay? Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I'll see you at the bottom in the comment section. Peace.